The $44 iPhone 14 Pro Max Challenge. Don't get fooled. Here are the parts: Wi-Fi mainboard $22, wireless charging back cover $9, LCD screen $12, micro ribbon $3, used battery $2, Wi-Fi antenna $3, and buttons are free. With a $44 budget, we drop the LiDAR, stereo speakers, mics, and vibration motor. We'll keep just the basics. Total cost, $51. Enough talk. Place the wireless charger, prep everything, and set the buttons in. Install the Wi-Fi antenna. Install the micro board. Install the Wi-Fi antenna. Drop in the mainboard, seat the ribbons, peel the battery adhesive, and set it in. Connect the screen and cables, then screw the cover down. Finally, snap the screen on. Build complete, time to witness the miracle. It's actually really smooth and fluid. Dynamic island, take a look. Built a 14 Pro Max for $44 challenge complete. Follow for more DIY builds.